How to fix Discord not connecting. If Discord is not connecting, the fix usually depends on whether you are stuck on a main loading screen or getting a specific error like RCT connecting or no route during a voice call. So what you want to do is, first thing first, you have to check the Discord status. So simply want to make sure to go ahead and launch open browser, type in Discord down Detector. Then you just want to make sure to go ahead and tap onto the first link that pops up, and there you should be able to see whether there is an issue with the Discord server or not. And next, what you could also do is fully close the Discord app, and then you want to make sure to close all the background running app. Hold on to your side button and then reset your device. That should also definitely help you out. Next, if the issue still persists on, what you also want to do is here simply want to make sure to go ahead and launch open your Play Store or an App Store and tap on the search, and you just want to make sure to go ahead and simply type in Discord and make sure to check whether the Discord app needs to be updated or not. However, despite all this, if the issue still persists on, you also want to make sure to go ahead and launch open Discord onto your device. Then go to the very home page and select you and tap onto the gear at the very top right, and this is where you want to go ahead and look for a voice. So here you just want to make sure to scroll down and then locate reset voice, and this is how you should be able to fix. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.